Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to verify your YouTube account. So let's start. First, open the browser and go to youtube.com. Now tap on the three dots on top right corner and enable desktop site, and the desktop site will load. Now tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to YouTube Studio. Now go to Settings from bottom left corner. Tap Channel, then tap Feature Eligibility and tap Status and Features. A new browser window will open. First, you have to select your country. Then select a way to get a verification code. I'll choose text. Now you have to enter your phone number to get an OTP. An OTP will send to your phone within a few moments. Tap in the OTP and tap Submit, and your YouTube account is now verified. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like, and see you in the next tutorial.